Reading Pioneers is proud to present Max Counts His Chickens by Rosemary Wells. It was Easter morning. The Easter Bunny hid 10 hot pink marshmallow chicks all over the house. "That should be plenty," said the Easter Bunny. "Finders keepers, Max," said Max's sister, Ruby. "Finders keepers," said Max. Ruby found chick 1 under her pillow. "My chick is too beautiful to eat, Max," said Ruby. There was another chick in Ruby's dollhouse. "That makes 2," said Ruby. "Let's look in the bathroom, Max." "Here's number 3 on the tub taps," said Ruby. Max looked in the bath bead bottle. There were no chicks. "There's one in the soap dish," said Ruby. "Now I have 4. There were no chicks in the toothpaste tube. Ruby was sure there were chicks in the dining room. "Wow, Max," said Ruby. "That makes 5. But Max had no luck in the dining room. "I'll bet there are chicks in the living room, Max," said Ruby. "Bullseye," said Ruby. 6 chicks. "Look at all my beautiful chicks." There were no chicks hiding in the cushions for Max. "Your chicks are probably in the kitchen, Max," said Ruby. Ruby peeked into the mixing bowl. 7, said Ruby. There were no chicks in the coffee can. Ruby opened the oven. 8, said Ruby. There were no chicks in the Healthios or the Wispy Crisps. Look, Max! One in the bread box, said Ruby. That makes 9. Chick, 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 said Max. But no chick was hiding in the orange juice. Ruby looked on the pantry shelf. 10 hot pink chicks, shouted Ruby. All mine! Suddenly, Grandma came in. Oh dear, said Grandma. I'd better make a telephone call. The Easter Bunny answered the telephone. Oh no, said the Easter Bunny. I'll come right away. Pop, 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 pop went the mail slot. All of Max's marshmallow chicks came through. 1, 3, 10, 2, 6, 4, 7, 8, 9, 5, said Max. All mine! Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story Max Counts His Chickens. To celebrate Easter, I thought this would be a fun book to read on this channel. But what did you guys think? Click the thumbs up if you liked the video. Share this video with your friends and family if you think they should also watch it. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all future videos being published by Reading Pioneers. And finally, comment below your thoughts about the story. Do you also go Easter egg hunting on Easter? I'd love to hear about your family's traditions for this holiday. But while you're waiting for the next upload, here are some other holiday-related videos and stories that you may also be interested in. Unfortunately, this is all the time we have for this book's video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing Easter. Bye-bye.